Hey everyone, this month on Patreon we'll be looking into Ground Crack Part 3, and that will be the cast effect on the character and impact on the ground as well. So this is what I've got so far. We're gonna start by creating texture in Substance Designer, then we're gonna dive into Unreal Engine and to create the materials and the cast effect in Niagara, and then we're just gonna use the components of the cast effect and we're gonna create that ground impact as well. For the Unity we're gonna have similar steps, although I can't use the same character, so I've just got a different character here. We're gonna have a slightly different cast and impact as well, but we're gonna go through the same steps and we're gonna use exactly the same textures and the material setup in Unity. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this one, and we can just close this ground crack tutorial as it's completely finished, and we're gonna just dive into something else next month. Thank you so much for your support.